What are the most important career skills for 2024 and beyond? Well, according to my friend Kai, the first is using AI to make yourself more productive. And in a brilliant, beautiful video he posted last week, he talks about that and 3 more key skills we all need to be staying ahead of the game and pushing our careers forward. And while I was watching his video, I couldn't help but think of another side to the AI equation and how 2 of his other key skills actually come together to give you an extra one. And I wanted to share that stuff with you. With my coffee, I've got my Leadership with Mike mug. So let's talk about this great video by Kai. He was a high-end finance guy and then he switched into being a commercial pilot, and now he runs his own business helping people with their career transitions. And his #1 career skill for 2024 and beyond is making sure you're up to date with AI and using tools like ChatGPT and Motion to get yourself more productive. But I wanted to add something. So much stuff is being driven by AI right now. Customer service chatbots, comms and HR people using it to draft policy and write emails. It's everywhere. But also, you know, that frustration of talking to a chatbot or even one of those old style phone menus, push 1 for this, 2 for that, 3 for the other. You know, that relief when you finally make it to a person and you can tell your story and get a response with some empathy and human kindness. In this age of AI, if you can make yourself a person who's brilliant at engaging with people, recognize different points of view, different hopes and fears, and shape how you engage accordingly, you're going to be making yourself invaluable. Kai's next 2 skills are about the rise of the one-person enterprise and the need for people to feel connected in communities. Solopreneurs like him needing to connect themselves to others somehow. And people don't just want your services, they want to feel part of a community who are using those services together. But he was also talking about people like me. I'm here today in my home office. I'm working for a large organization. I'm in a big leadership role, but I spend lots of my time on my own in this little room. It's quiet. A bit lonely. And that makes bringing these 2 things together really important. Make yourself a connector, someone who makes community happen across hybrid and remote working boundaries. Someone who knows that Mike's at home on Mondays, Paul's at home on Tuesdays, other Mike's at home on Wednesdays, so we've really got to make the most of our time together in the office on Thursdays and Fridays. It's all very well for Elon Musk to insist everyone comes back to the office, but that just isn't realistic for most organizations. If you can be the person who makes connection and community happen despite the distance, you'll be on track for proper career awesomeness. Get your coffee. I can't do it. The accent doesn't work. And look, before I mention Kai's 4th key skill, will you help me with my YouTube KPIs? Give me a like and hit subscribe to make sure you don't miss the productivity, communication or leadership tip that could change your career and change your life. Kai's 4th key skill, well, honestly, I don't know anything about it. Go watch his video next to find out what it is and why it really matters for you. There's a link in the description. Seriously, go watch it and I will see you very soon.